Hello, today I will show you the fundamentals of Ansible playbooks. You need to understand how it works. Ansible playbooks allow you to automate configurations without needing complex programming skills. So let's dive into the core principles of writing playbooks. As we begin, YAML syntax is crucial for Ansible playbooks. Proper indentation is required to structure your tasks and variables. Ansible requires consistent spaces, 2 or 4, but doesn't allow tabs. Notice how the playbook is organized by indents, with tasks and modules correctly aligned to ensure proper execution. Mixing spaces and tabs or missing indentations will result in errors, so staying consistent is key. Next, we look at the key characters in Ansible playbooks, so including hyphens, colons, and curly brackets. Hyphens define lists, colons separate keys from values, and curly brackets are used for variables. Variables allow playbooks to be flexible, avoiding hard-coded values. Notice how the example uses variables to install packages dynamically. Now let's explore variables and loops. Variables helps keep your playbooks flexible and reusable. In this example, we define multiple packages as variables and use a loop to install them. Loops are incredibly used, for running the same task multiple times with different inputs, like installing a list of packages or applying configuration to different users, right? And in this example I presented here, complete playbooks example actually, that installs the Nginx and ensures it's running. This playbook runs on all hosts and uses root privileges, so see the section become yes. The first task installs Nginx and the second task ensures it's running. This example demonstrates basic Ansible principles, defining variables, tasks, and states to ensure the system is in the desired state. Finally, we look at common pitfalls like indentation errors, missing colons, and undefined variables, right? So pay close attention to the structure of your playbook. YAML is sensitive to even the smallest formatting mistakes. Ensuring that variables are correctly defined and keeping a uniform structure helps avoid errors when running playbooks. In summary, we've covered YAML basics, variables, loops, and simple playbook example. By mastering these key concepts and avoiding common mistakes, you will be able to write efficient, reliable Ansible playbooks. Keep experimenting with these structures and soon you will be able to automate your configurations like a pro. I hope you enjoyed this video, so thank you very much, have a nice day or night, take care, bye bye.